Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe someone you really like to spend time with. Now let's begin with the cue card. Describe someone you really like to spend time with. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say, who is this person? How do you know him or her? What do you usually do together? And explain why you like to spend time with him or her. Now let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, spending quality time with family members is extremely important in today's stressful lifestyle, as we can enjoy our precious time with each other. That's why I try to spend equal time with my all family members. Here, I would like to talk about my nephew John, with whom I like to spend my time. He is just 5 years old and is very close to my heart. I spend morning, evening and weekend time with him. He feels comfortable with me, but he is very shy with strangers. I'll have to say he is very naughty as well as sweet in nature. Sometimes he does mischievous activities at home, which reminds me of my childhood days. I used to do the same kinds of funny things while I was a child. His funny activities create a laughable environment at our home. Sometimes we spend time playing indoor games like carom board or mobile games or with our pet. At the same time, we watch TV together, as I still love watching cartoons. He really likes to eat chocolates and chips, so I usually get these for him. He usually asks strange and funny questions to me. Apart from this, we also go to a nearby park in the evening where he plays with other kids. I motivate him while he's playing with other kids, which helps him do his best. I personally feel rejuvenated by spending time with him, so he is the one with whom I spend most of my time. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at follow-ups for this cue card. The very first one is, how many generations usually live together in India? Well, it depends on family to family. In India, most people live in joint families, like with their uncles, aunts, parents and grandparents. However, people these days have started living in nuclear families due to privacy issues and the influence of Western culture. Next question is it important to visit family members? Yes, it's very essential to visit a family member after some time. This would help them make their relationship bond stronger. They can also share daily happenings with each other when they meet up, so they can seek solutions for their problems. Next question is, why is family bonding necessary for happiness in life? I believe family bonding is necessary for a cheerful life because we can share our happy and sad moments with each other. We also feel secure as other members are always there to help us. Next question is, do you think the support from a friend is different from the support from a family member? There is some difference between the help of a family member and a friend. When we get help from our friends, we feel burdened. Sometimes we need to do something in order to get help from a friend. But when it comes to family members, we do not need to do such things. This is our responsibility to look after one another's needs when we are a part of a family. So these were the sample answers for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification when we upload a new video. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.